This is driven down the ground beautifully by McKinney. What a way to start day 4.
Inside edge. It's going to bring McKinney 4, so 7 from that over. Durham 98 for 2.
Oh, and that's out. Off stump, gone. And Milnes deserves a wicket. I believe that's the first wicket he's got in this game. Adam Hollyoak and his team will be on the leading edge. And it's gone. Clark just a little bit early on that one.
And that's a peach. And that'll be Kent's third. Colin Ackerman has to go for 1. So Kent, all of a sudden...
Robinson drives beautifully down the ground to get off the mark for 4. Slightly overpitched.
That's a peach. That is really good bowling from Matt Milnes. He's deserved these 2 wickets he's got this morning throughout the course of this game. Beddingham.
Chipped in the air and another wicket. Falls. Ollie Robinson now goes. Hammered by Ben Raine through the leg side. Moves him on to 7. Brings Ben Raine on strike to Milnes. Short, pulled away in front of square and hammered to the fence for 4. Another sign of Ben Raine's intent. That's a shot. What a shot, Casey Aldridge on the up through the covers for 4.
Absolutely beautiful timing.
The match has still been some movement in it. Ben Raine drives square of the wicket gloriously for 4. Stewart with too much width. Gammon in the oven. Have a great day. That is whipped gloriously away by Casey Aldridge. That'll be 4. Beautiful shot on the up through the leg side. Oh, you called it, but he missed it.
He was eyeing up Bannatynes.
And Stewart did not miss.
You missed. That is beautiful from Matthew Potts. Welcome boundary.
6.
Yeah, pick that one out. Oh my Lord, Matthew Potts.
You see the way he held the pose there? My goodness me.
That is an extraordinary shot for 6.
That will be the screensaver on his phone.
And Ben Raine loses his off pole, not for the first time. This morning we've seen that.
Keeping a little bit low. Thick edge, guided down to 3rd, and that will run away for 4. What must please you as well is the availability of your players compared to last year. Roach trying to get that to swing, going full over pitches, and Compton has been prolific over the last few seasons for Kent. Puts that away comfortably through the covers for 4.
Yeah, he's been such a good player.
Whipped away by Crawley, and that will run away for 4.
You blame Ben Stokes for that?
Pretty much. Yeah, so, you know, suddenly there's...
Oh, Roach gets the edge from Crawley. Runs away to the fence.
And stopped.
Oh, and there he is. The hands of Aldridge. Safe as houses at second slip. Roach finds Compton's edge. Durham have their first.
You know, that's why Minto was in this squad. You know, when we have 4 right arm fast bowlers, I felt, you know, and Potts who can all bat.
Zach Crawley can bat as well.
Good shot.
That's a really good shot from the England international.
And, we don't want to drop players. We want to give them that chance to show them that we're really backing them. But, maybe that was gone on a bit too long for a couple of people. And,
A locked-in battle.
Oh, and that's close as well. And this one is gone.
They're not locked in battle anymore. Matthew Potts has Crawley for the second time in the game.
Oh, yes, Ben Raine.
Let's forget about the England game. Let's talk about the county game. Ben Raine gets Sam Northeast, and that is the big one that Durham were looking for. Sam Northeast. Shot. That is beautiful from Bell-Drummond. Nice way to get off the mark for the season.
Yeah, look, it happens a lot more in England for sure.
Edged in the gap and away for 4. The ball before, you could just feel the pressure that
Lovely.
Away beautifully by Muyeye for 4.
That they've been there now. And then when you do get the edge, it beats third slip, and all 3 will run and chase, but the ball will win. Muyeye will move to 14.
Third's in play again. And this will run away for 4 more. It's good bowling from Aldridge. He's conceded a couple of boundaries down to third. Walked across his stumps and whipped it away. Oohs and ahs.
And right where Muyeye came from was third slip.
That's come from nowhere, that from Muyeye. Just slightly short. Short and hammered away by Muyeye, picking up length really nicely now. Shot.
That is lovely from Bell-Drummond. It was a nice way to get into double figures. Slightly overpitched from Casey Aldridge, trying to target the stumps. Shot.
Wow. That is flair.
And that is why we've spoken about Tawanda Muyeye at certain points of this live stream as a... Oh, wow. Hello, Tawanda Muyeye.
Good afternoon, sir.
A nice little pull over mid-wicket for 4.
Pretty good batting from both of these two. Muyeye will probably bring up a half century with that misfield.
Yeah, Graham Clark and the club was just unable to bring it in, but that's a well-earned 50 from the young Kent batter. Edged and gone! Well then, Matthew Potts gets the breakthrough. Daniel Bell-Drummond has to go for 37. Just like that.
Could be out. That's
just
gone!
like that.
Ben Raine, you beauty, right in the shin of Joey Everson.
It's a no ball. And he'll be punched out into the covers as well. Benjamin will gladly take 2.
Oh, and that's edged away past Aldridge, and it will run away for at least 2. Aldridge does well. We'll come back for a third, and that is a brilliant century from Tawanda Muyeye, who leaps in the air. And he gets underneath this one and pulls it away. Pulls it all the way for 6. Allowed through to the keeper. 9 overs left in the day's play. 54 deliveries. I think we're going to see Matthew Potts back into the attack as Durham throw the dice one last time. Or are they shaking hands? They are shaking hands. That is the end of it. This match is drawn here at the Banks Homes Riverside.